Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Design in the World. Today we will explore the magical world of interior design to transform the walls of your homes into customized works of art. We'll discover how to choose colors, themes, artworks, and arrange everything with style and personality. Get ready to learn how to create the perfect harmony between your style and your personality, bringing your walls to life. Here's how to turn these blank spaces into personal masterpieces. In the heart of a home, there's an unexplored canvas ready to capture the dreams and passions of those who inhabit it. The walls, like blank pages of a book, patiently await decoration with life stories, emotions, and style. Decorating the walls of a home is a creative and personal act that requires attention to detail and reflection. Imagine a room as a blank sheet of music, waiting for the notes of a composer. The first step is to define your style. Are you drawn to a modern and minimalist aesthetic, or do you love the rustic charm of a country house? This choice will guide your project's path. Walls, like a blank canvas, welcome color with enthusiasm. Choosing wall colors is a crucial decision. Light colors provide brightness and spaciousness, while darker shades impart elegance and depth. With your virtual brush, set the room's tone. Each wall is a chapter, and you are the director. Organizing objects and wall decorations is a strategic step. Draw your plan, imagine the compositions, paintings, mirrors, shelves, photographs. Everything is part of the set. The theme or subject of the decoration is like the leitmotif of a symphony. It can be the ocean, nature, abstract art, or any other passion. Choose decorative elements that tell your story. Frames, supports, and lights are the scenic details. Classic frames exude a traditional aura, while modern or frameless solutions bring a touch of minimalism. And lighting is the direction. With direct lights, you can highlight the main characters, while ambient lighting creates a warm and welcoming soundtrack. In the backstage, you can test and perfect the stage design. Experiment with different arrangements, move objects, change the spaces between them. Your eye is the critic, and your home is the performance. Balancing the walls is like composing a harmonious symphony. If one wall is heavily decorated, the other may need a lighter melody to avoid visual overload. Your personal touch is the secret message in design. Family photos, travel memories, objects collected over time, all these details tell your story and make the space authentic. Creativity is the color in the art of wall decoration. You can create customized works, blending your creative voice with the house's story. Walls, like a history book, collect memories, adventures, and passions. Their beauty lies in their ability to grow and change with us. They are the ever-evolving artwork in a home. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of design and interior decoration. We hope that the information on how to decorate the walls of your home has been helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. To stay updated on the latest design trends, feel free to subscribe to our channel, Design in the World. See you in the next time.